Microsoft just changed everything. They took Azure OpenAI Service, Azure Cognitive Services, Azure AI Studio and merged them into one platform, one portal, one place to build the enterprise AI. It is called Microsoft Foundry. And right now, most developers don't even know it exists. The ones who do, they are building AI applications, deploying AI agents, and shipping production systems faster than ever before. I am Krunal, welcome to Purpleskill, and this is the Microsoft Foundry Masterclass 2026. 9 videos covering everything from zero to enterprise deployment. By the end of this series, you will know Microsoft Foundry better than most Azure professionals. Let me show you what we are building. Phase 1, Foundation. Days 1 through 3. Understand the platform, explore every section, deploy your first AI application. Phase 2, Building. Days 4 through 6. Build AI agents. Connect your documents to AI, set up prompt flow and content safety. Phase 3, Production. Days 7 through days 9. Fine-tune AI for your business, monitor and evaluate performance, deploy to production including Microsoft Teams. That's the complete roadmap, and today on day 1 we start from the beginning. No prerequisites, no prior Azure experience required. So let's go. So your first question, what is Microsoft Foundry? Let me give you 2 answers. Short answer, Microsoft Foundry is a unified platform for building, deploying and governing AI applications. And that's the official definition. Now, the second one, think of it like a factory. A factory has 3 departments. Department 1, raw materials. This is the model catalog. Over 1300 AI models are there. GPT-4, Cloud A, DeepSeek, Llama, Mistral. You can choose your material. Department 2, the assembly line. This is the build layer. Agents, knowledge fine-tuning. This is where you build your product. And Department 3 is quality control, evaluation, guardrails, monitoring, governance. This is where you make sure your AI is secure, accurate and safe. Microsoft Foundry is the factory, your AI application is the product, and it all lives at one address, ai.azure.com. This is your portal, this is your workspace. Before we tour the portal, one thing I want you to understand clearly. Microsoft Foundry is not the same as Azure OpenAI Services. A lot of people confuse them, and let me clear up these things right now. Here is the analogy I want you to remember. Azure OpenAI Service is the engine and Microsoft Foundry is the full car. Engine, transmission, dashboards, GPS, airbags. So let me be specific. Azure OpenAI Services gives you one thing, access to OpenAI models via API, GPT-4, embeddings, Tally, that's it. But Microsoft Foundry gives you all of that plus the tools to build with it. Here we get model catalogs, over 1300 models from multiple providers. We have agents which we use to build and deploy AI agents with no code approach. We have prompt flow, which is visual AI workflow designer. We have fine-tuning, where we train models on our own data. We have evaluations, where we can test and score AI automatically. We have guardrails, which gives us content filters and responsible AI. We also have monitoring, where we get real-time performance dashboards. Azure OpenAI is inside Microsoft Foundry. It is one of the services available to you, but Foundry is the complete platform. Think of it this way. If Azure OpenAI is the engine, you still need the rest of the car to drive anywhere. And Microsoft Foundry gives you the full car. So now, let's go inside